What's up guys, it's me Umair. So I bought a HooToo USB-C Hub. Yeah, HooToo USB-C Hub. I bought a HooToo USB-C Hub. I'm really very much excited. Jump to the unboxing table, and is this a good USB-C Hub? Let's find out.
I gave my hand for
Here's the
you.
HooToo USB-C Hub. I bought this one as a refurbished. You can buy it for new for 25 bucks. The refurbished I pay like 13 bucks. Okay. I am excited. I'm literally very much excited, to be honest with you. Okay, it comes with the manual, which is quite well designed, by the way. Okay, hello, please place your HooToo shutter here. Okay, this is a nice, information design. And then here is the HooToo. Okay, I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. Let me put these things aside, and then let me use with my tablet. Do it work with my Android tablet or not? Okay, here is a first I wanna connect. Let me show you. I wanna show you first. Okay, the build quality is quite good. It comes with SD card reader, 3 USB with the power in cable for charging and HDMI. I mean, this thing look really very nice, isn't it? But I wanna jump to the test. Connect with my tablet, and let's see, do a Bluetooth mouse work or not. Okay, here we go. Let me connect here. Okay, there's a light. When you connect, there's a light going on. Can you see? Okay, as you can see, it's working. Can you see the mouse is working? Then the mouse is working. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye. This is a must buy, to be honest with you. The build quality is quite good. Everything is quite good. This was the first look and the unboxing of it. And again, it was me, Jimmy. Bye.